Hello and welcome to Meadow Brown Bakery. In this video, I'll be showing you how to bake some soda bread. Start off by preheating your oven to 220 degrees Celsius and then add in your plain flour to a bowl and add your cream of tartar, bicarbonate of soda and salt to the mixture. Add in your butter and then mix this with your hands until all your butter is mixed in. And then make a well in the center and add in your buttermilk. Mix this together until it's thick and then use your hands to knead it in the bowl. Get it out of the bowl and then just shape your bread on your work surface like this, and then use a knife to just cut off the pieces that you'll need. Bake this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice and golden brown on top, and then transfer it to a cooling rack to cool completely or serve warm. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. It's nice and cooked through and the texture is great. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.